All right, we're going on that. And Ma's already in the tunnel. Oh boy, we're in the tunnel. Whew. A ramp. That's cool. All right, we're going in the back. Woohoo! Woohoo! All right.
Ooh, it's tight.
Yep, it is tight. Oh, I didn't put my foot far enough. Okay, there we go. And get my foot in there. Okay. Oh, okay, my wallet. Oh,
It's tight.
yeah, it's a tight fit.
You're gonna be hurting.
No, I'll be fine. This is a kid's ride. This is a kid's ride.
Oh, yeah, totally. Thank you. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, sorry.
No problem.
There we go.
Gates opening.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I got my hat off. Hey, we're going the wrong way. I thought we were going that way.
I thought we were going to.
Oh no, we're going backwards. You're saying, what is that? What is this? This is backwards. What are we doing? Hey, look, a tree. Look. Okay, well that's not bad. We're going backwards. Hey, no, we're not going backwards. Whoa! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Oh, look, a tree. Cool. Whoa! All right, who told me? Oh, wait, you said this didn't spin, Mom. You said it didn't spin. Whoa! Hey, Cultus Lake up here. Whoa! 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 Oh no! Almost lost my glasses. Almost lost my glasses. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, who said? Okay. All right. Enough with the spinning. Enough with the spinning. Oh! Oh no! Now we're going the other way. No! 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 Oh jeez! Oh jeez! Oh jeez! Okay. All right. We have nobody in the other behind us. That's why we're spinning so much. Oh jeez! Okay. Why? Why? Why?
Oh, that's good.
Why? Why? We're still spinning. We're still spinning. Why?
We spin too.
Why? We're still spinning.
Okay.
All right, putting the hat on now. It's okay, I put my hat on now, right? All right. We're kind of still spinning though.
Yeah, but the gate's closed.
You lied to us. Oh my goodness.
Was it fun?
It was fun.
It was fun.
It was.
Look at that.
She's lying.
It was a lot of fun.
All right, now we're still spinning, aren't we? I feel like we're still spinning. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. Subscribe so you can see us on the next ride. I thought I saw a bird go by.